Hey everyone, in today's digital world, apps are getting seriously complex. We're talking tons of features, constant updates, it's a lot to handle. And for developers, one of the biggest headaches is compatibility. Will that code that runs perfectly on your Windows machine work the same on a Linux server? That it works on my machine problem can be a nightmare. But don't worry, there's a hero in this story and its name is Docker. Docker is a powerful tool that's here to save the day. In simple terms, it packages your application and everything it needs to run smoothly, like a neat little self-contained box. Imagine a shipping container that carries goods across the world. Docker is similar. It creates a consistent environment for your app so it runs the same way everywhere, from your laptop to the cloud. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Docker. We'll learn what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how to use it to containerize your Node.js applications. So buckle up and let's get started. Okay, let's break down what Docker actually is. Imagine you're baking a cake. You need all the ingredients measured out and ready to go, right? Docker does something similar for your software. It bundles your application code, libraries, dependencies, and even the operating system, everything it needs to run, into a neat package called a container. This container acts like a mini computer, completely isolated from your main system. This means your app runs consistently, no matter where that container is placed, your laptop, a server, or the cloud. It's like magic, but it's really just clever engineering. Now let's dive into the fundamental building blocks of Docker, which are essential for understanding how this powerful tool works. First up, we have the Docker engine. This is the core component that makes everything else possible. Think of the Docker engine as the heart of the operation, pumping life into your applications. The Docker engine has two main parts: the client, which is what you interact with, like the Docker command line interface, and the server, or daemon, which does the heavy lifting of building and running your containers. The client sends commands to the daemon, which then executes them. Next, we have Docker images. These are crucial for creating containers. Think of Docker images as blueprints for your containers. They provide the detailed plans needed to build your application environment. An image contains everything needed to create a container, including the operating system, libraries, and your application code. This ensures consistency across different environments. You can either use pre-built images from Docker Hub, think of it as an app store for Docker images, or create your own custom images tailored to your specific needs. Finally, we have Docker containers. These are the actual running instances